Okay, today I'm gonna be replacing my third brake light. I've replaced that one before because in a little accident, but maybe it was that one. Yeah, probably this one. Not sure, but this you can see it's fucking faded and shit. So this is the new one I got, blacked out. Looks pretty cool. So I gotta put this through there, pull all these out, then just rehook it up. Look, it's fairly simple. See, it's just a plug and play. This is $50 on Amazon. I'll let you know if it's any good. I'll be back. Okay, just got it installed. That's what it looks like. Pretty cool. I ain't put that back in yet. It's just one click. Boom. You got 3 things. Oh, a ton of those. I recommend a flathead screwdriver. Pull all these things out, which is what's attaching that. And then Phillips for these. Alright, I'm gonna call that the video. Don't want to close it just yet, not done. That's what it looks like. Like, subscribe for more.